This is certainly a dramatic and complex situation unfolding in Milwaukee. The arrest of a sitting judge on federal charges within a courthouse is unprecedented and raises significant questions about the balance between judicial independence and the enforcement of federal law. On one hand, the accusation that Judge Dugan deliberately misled federal agents to obstruct the arrest of an individual, regardless of their immigration status, is a serious allegation. If proven true, it could be seen as a breach of her duty as an officer of the court and a violation of the rule of law. Federal authorities would likely argue that they were simply executing a lawful warrant and that Judge Dugan's alleged actions interfered with their ability to do so. From this perspective, the arrest could be framed as an effort to uphold the legal framework and ensure that no one, including members of the judiciary, is above the law. On the other hand, the timing and manner of the arrest, particularly the initial announcement by the FBI director on social media, even if later removed, could be interpreted by some as an aggressive move that undermines the independence of the judiciary. The fact that this involves immigration enforcement, a politically charged issue with ongoing tension between the Trump administration and the courts, adds another layer of complexity. Concerns could be raised that this action might be intended to send a message to judges who may be perceived as sympathetic to immigrants or critical of federal immigration policies. The potential chilling effect on court proceedings is also a significant concern raised by local officials. If individuals, regardless of their immigration status, fear being arrested while attending court for even minor offenses, it could deter them from participating in the legal process. This could have broader implications for the administration of justice and public safety. Ultimately, whether this incident is viewed as an attack on judicial independence or an effort to uphold the rule of law will likely depend on the evidence presented and the legal arguments made in the upcoming proceedings. The fact that the charging documents are not yet public makes it difficult to assess the strength of the case against Judge Dugan and the specific legal basis for the charges. The unfolding investigation and the hearing scheduled for May 15th will be crucial in shedding more light on the circumstances surrounding this arrest and the motivations behind it. This case will undoubtedly fuel a significant debate about the role of the judiciary, the authority of federal law enforcement, and the delicate balance between these two pillars of the legal system.